let's set the stage. You open your eyes and you're in front of Mark Cuban and the whole rest of the Shark Tank panel. They ask, what's your profit margin? Break-even point? Customer acquisition cost? What about next month's revenue forecast? Do you have an answer? I get it. You're already the CEO, COO, and CMO of your own company. But how are you performing as your CFO, controller, accountant, bookkeeper? Are you on track for a bonus this year? My name's Steve with the Bookies. We help business owners sleep better at night without increasing their Ambien dose. Whether you're just getting started and need help getting your QuickBooks set up, or you're looking for ways to scale your business from $5 million to 10, we bring clarity, confidence, and control to your finances so you can stop worrying and start focusing on that growth. I'm excited to learn more about your business and find ways that we can partner together. Talk to you soon.